This video is intended to demonstrate the EWM103-W15 series modules. Tutorial on connecting to a standard MQTT server for data transfer. In order for the demonstration to proceed smoothly, we have prepared the following materials. The first step is to deploy the Mosquito server. Search for Mosquito official website on Baidu and visit the official website link. Click Download to go to the download page. Simply select the corresponding version to download. This tutorial uses the Windows version. Double-click the installation file after downloading. Simply follow the instructions to complete the installation. Open the Mosquito installation directory. Type cmd in the directory bar to open the cmd command prompt. Enter the following command to start the MQTT server. Note that the path in the double quotes is the Mosquito installation path. The command line cannot be closed. Otherwise, the server process will be terminated. Next, configure the Wi-Fi module. Connect the test kit to the computer. Open the Serial Port Debugging Assistant. Select 115,208N1 to open the serial port. Click to send multiple messages. Please note that the module's first power on is neither STA nor AP. You need to send a command to switch modes first. Send the command shown in the image to switch the module to STA mode. Send the command shown in the image to connect to Wi-Fi. EQ is the name of Wi-Fi. 123,456,789 is the Wi-Fi password. MAC address option can be added. Connect to two different Wi-Fi networks with the same name. STA shows that it is connected to Wi-Fi. Send the commands shown in the image to configure the three key elements of a MQTT connection. Send the command shown in the image to connect to the MQTT server. The module indicates that it has connected to the server. Next, we will perform data transmission and reception. Open the MQTT software. Click the gear icon to enter the MQTT parameter configuration interface. In MQTT Worker Profile Settings, enter the MQTT server address, port, and client ID. Click User Credentials to configure user login parameters. Because the server did not perform user access verification, you can fill in anything here. If the server performs user authentication, please be sure to fill in the corresponding user login parameters. Click Apply in the bottom right corner to apply the parameters. Click Connect to connect to the server. The icon in the upper right corner turns green when the server is connected. Click here to configure the publishing theme as test. Click to subscribe. Enter our subscription topic test or topic in the icon box. Click the subscribe button on the right to subscribe to the topic. Enter data in the input box. Click Publish next to it to publish the data. At this point, the MQTT configuration is complete. Switch to XCOM software. Send the command shown in the image to subscribe to the topic test. Send the command shown in the image to send data to the server. We can find it in the MQTT subscription interface. The data received by the server can be seen under the corresponding subscribed topic.